I haven't had power for so long I've lost track. I guess it's 3 days. I keep exercising to stay warm, and I'm trying to help as many people as possible, which there are so many that are way worse than me. I'm trying to focus on the elderly and a lot of people.
And I was waiting for my parents to come pick me up, and a tree fell right in front of me and hit the power line, so there was a bunch of sparks.
I was working at Safeway the night it was going on. They called me into work.
Wow.
Yeah, it was pretty intense.
We had a couple of random newspapers and a toothbrush.
The first morning that it happened, I went running about 5 miles and counted 40 trees down. As I've been walking for the first chance to survey the damage, every person I've said I'm sorry because they're missing a roof, or they have all been filled with gratitude.
I have no electricity, not since Tuesday afternoon about 5 o'clock.
I went ahead and went through some of my stuff that I had at my house and put it in this bag to take to downtown, and as well as get some stuff from the neighbors.
You know, Vista, they've got crews and they're doing a great job, I'm sure. You know, they have a plan.
We're actually a really sweet place for people to come and charge their phones and just get a warm meal or a hot cup of coffee.
Worst part has been the cold.
And started hearing a lot of stuff on the windows and rattling, and it started getting pretty ominous. In the driveway, the tree in the neighbor's yard completely broke off, fell down, and tore out all the power lines.
My friends were with me, and we screamed and went inside because we were really scared.
Life is very good, and I'm grateful I didn't get hit.
My house, part of my fence is missing. There's part of a bull pine in my backyard because my poor neighbor, it took out her whole backyard. And I can still get to my car, and life is good.